Red squirrels with their bushy tails. With spring round the corner, we often see these tiny little fellows around our houses. And taking inspiration from them, I decided to paint one and add to my YouTube library. So my sketch is ready and I start applying raw sienna on the wet paper. I have already wetted only the face and a little area beyond the pencil markings of the face because I wanted fuzzy and soft edges of the fur. And while the paper is still wet, I put burnt sienna on it. I did not pre-mix raw sienna and burnt sienna on the palette as I wanted these two colors to mix on paper as the water allows them to do so. This creates some interesting textures on the paper than having an uniform color all over the body of the squirrel. Since this is the first layer of the color which lays foundation for above layers and strokes, I dab the color wherever the fur changes its colors due to the shadows on the face and then the body. For more darker spots of the fur, I apply burnt umber. Note that the paper is still wet, which allows the color spread on the paper, creating soft edges. Now till the face area dries, I paint the ears. For this painting, mostly I am using wet on wet method, which means initially I wet the required area of the sketch with clean water, followed by applying colors on it. This also avoids some hard edges, which is my intention for the outcome of the painting. Now again I have wetted the face area to put another layer of burnt sienna followed by burnt umber. This is to show the fur texture on the forehead of the squirrel. You can see I am pulling my brush from dry to wet area to give the hint of dense fur on the forehead. And for the eyes, I have mixed violet with burnt sienna to mute it a little. On this, I will put some Payne's grey. This creates some color changes in the eyes and avoids them looking flat. After painting the nose, I start working on part by part of the face to show the fur around the mouth. For the rest of the body, my process of painting is the same as that of painting the face. You can observe that the face color has descended on the arm of the squirrel, and this is because I had wetted the area of the sketch beyond the face. And now, the same thing allows me to easily blend the colors of the face with the rest of the body. And now the fun but tricky part of painting the squirrel's bushy tail. So what I did here was I put all the colors on the paper in the order I had done for the rest of the body, and later when the area was completely dry, I just wetted a very little area near the body to apply another layer of the color. But this time, by using a less wet filbert brush, I just pulled it from inside to outside to create strokes to show the fur. And so I leave you here to see the rest of my painting process. I put videos like these every week. So for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. And till then, take care of yourself and see you in the next video.